It's going to rain all day. It's been raining all night. This is really the first rain we've had. We got a little sprinkles here and there, a couple one day, but it was nothing to put everyone inside. But today, this should be all day, and then the rest of the week should be nice. The washes are not full, there's just a little water in them. Yeah, I'm thinking about just getting in the driver's seat and going into town later. I don't know, we'll see what the day brings. So here is a look at what I'm dealing with today. Probably should close this. I want to see if my tent is soaked here. Here's the wash. It's not doing too bad. But this is what I'm curious about. Oh, everything's dry. Awesome. Alright, I think we might go into Parker today, or maybe Ehrenberg or Blythe, since it's going to rain most of the day. Look at the clouds. Peeking. The mountains are peeking. It's like a fog. Yeah, we've decided to go into Parker today. Get some lunch, go to Walmart, do a few errands. No sense in sitting in the van all day. On the Colorado River. Colorado River, and the ducks think we're gonna feed them. Nope, got nothing. And the desert right across the way there.
It's murky from all the...
So is that California over there?
Yes.
Yep. There's a dam down there. These are coots.
Regular white ducks. Mallard ducks, coots.